Avalon has never been a peaceful place. But since the storm, it's been crawling with outlaws. Rumors are spreading about a fearsome black-armored knight hunting down the marauders around Camelot. This Knight of Thorns, named after his sinister coat of arms, is seeking vengeance for his father, often facing impossible odds. He could be a useful addition to my round table, even if the tales about his cruelty prove to be true.
Violence won't solve anything. Or they say. Sir Bruno is clearly of a different opinion. Look there.
More trinkets.
Drop your weapon, you beast. Attacking a castle on your own is insane. Even for your kind, Bruno.
You underestimate me, traitor. And to you, it's Lord Bruno Lenoir.
I serve the Lord. For the Lord Almighty.
I can take them all. What?
I am here to serve. I am ready.
Time to feed the ravens. I serve the Lord.
I serve the Lord. Christ on the cross.
I am here to serve.
Kneel before you.
The Lord is my witness. Down with the vileness.
No mercy for the wicked.
None can stand in my way. Taste my blade.
I am ready.
The Lord is my witness. Christ on the cross.
I can take them all.
I owe you, strangers. My name is Sir Bruno Le Noir, the Knight of the Thorns. I remember this coat of arms. You must be from Camelot. You mean toward Mordred, right? Not anymore. What happened in Britannia is the past. Before that damned storm, they were my father's vassals. Indeed, they murdered my father, burned down our castle, and fled with my heritage. My father was a man of strange tastes, but such betrayal must be avenged. We have common enemies. For now, that's more than enough.
Would you mind sheathing your weapon, my lord? You won't find adversaries here. We are just a few humble souls praying for salvation.
Start praying then. We came for vengeance.
My name is Brother Gaston, good knights. How may I serve you? We will pray for you, sir. They deserve the wrath of the Lord. Before the calamity, I served Sir Cador, the just ruler of this land, as a priest and counselor. We lost him, like many other good men, and the few survivors fell prey to these vultures. My flock, servants, maids, and peasants from the nearby hamlets. Thank the Lord Sir Carak spared them. With servants, maids, and peasants, against a seasoned killer like Sir Carak, we wouldn't have stood a chance. Yes, the marauder knight leading these brigands. He came with his unholy company after the calamity.
Ah, our noble liege has visited us again. And this time His Majesty has brought more swords, it seems. Keep them busy, lads. I will warn Karak.
You were always a coward, Gareth. But if you bring me that two-faced worm, I will grant you a swift end.
No mercy for the wicked.
I am here to serve.
What?
Defend yourself.
Awaiting your command.
None can stand in my way. Make up your mind.
Ready to fight.
Blessings. Sinners shall bleed. Christ on the cross.
I am ready.
What?
I serve the Lord.
Time to feed the ravens.
Blessings.
Make up your mind.
I am ready.
Take this.
Ready to fight.
The Lord is my witness.
Your head is mine.
Ready. Hit them hard!
I serve the Lord.
I am here to serve.
Power and glory.
Ready to fight. Well, I'm still standing.
Take a look at this.
All mine. I devoted my life here to the arcane, only to find more questions than answers.
You blind fool. These are the Knights of Camelot, not some dung-stained sellswords. Stand down. It's time for the mincer to earn his share.
Carrack was the one who killed my father. He will pay in blood. This door looks sturdy, but there must be a key for it. This room must be the lair of Carrack, the leader of this sorrowful lot. I remember him well. That lowborn scum may be a decent swordsman, but lacks loyalty and honor. My father thought that the whip and bread would keep him in line. We all paid for his mistake.
You must forgive the mess, good knights. Me and the lads weren't expecting visitors.
No! These Mongols were not my father's vassals!
We? Nothing. Nothing at all. We had an agreement with Sir Carrack, but he mentioned no Knights of Camelot. Surrender? That would be a stretch, I'm afraid. But we have no quarrels either with Camelot or the mighty Sir Mordred.
The Lord is my witness.
Your Highness?
Ready.
Defend yourself.
What are we waiting for?
Ready.
Blessings.
Sinners shall bleed. The Lord guides my hand.
I can take them all.
Sinners shall bleed.
Awaiting your command. Your Highness.
What are we waiting for?
Ready to fight.
Your head is mine.
This is your best shot, scum.
The Lord is my witness.
No mercy for the wicked.
No mercy for the wicked. For the Lord Almighty.
Scum.
Make up your mind.
Make up your mind. Rot in hell.
Awaiting your command.
No mercy for the wicked. Defend yourself.
Power and glory.
I serve the Lord.
What? Kneel before your king.
Fight me! What?
I serve the Lord. Defend yourself.
Well, it could have been worse.
Step forward, boy. This is not the time to play hide and seek. By the old gods and the new one, this whelp is Carrick's bastard son. It looks like we've found our key. Come with us, boy, and don't try anything foolish. I'm not in a forgiving mood.
I see a chest.
The Lord giveth.
The joys of plunder.
Well rested and ready.
We have your son, Carrick. If you don't open this door, I will handle it the old way. Blood for blood.
I see. The apple does not fall far from the tree, Bruno. But what about your noble friends?
Don't test my patience, you wretch. This is between you and me.
We will see, Knight of the Thorns. We will see. It's not a wise idea to taunt a cornered beast. Release my son and leave this place before it's too late.
Big words from a thief and murderer. Your own lord's blood is on your hands.
I spit on your father's grave. He was a monster, and we both know it. Spare me the lectures. You don't have to bury those kids. I did this world a favor when I threw his body on the pyre.
We are what we are. You will pay in blood for the humiliation of my family. Let's end this, once and for all. There is no point wasting more time on pleasantries. I've been craving this moment for months.
Enjoy it while you can, Bruno.
has been avenged, and my name has been cleansed. But what about these mongrels? Perhaps we should leave them to Camelot. I hear that the new ruler is not a soft-hearted man.